Hi, Lily.
Hi, Melissa.
Oh, you look great.
You do too. You look very well rested. How was your trip to London? Did you have any free time between meetings?
London was great. We were very busy all week, but I had some free time on Saturday and Sunday morning. I flew back on Sunday evening.
Did you take any pictures?
Better than that, I have videos.
Excellent.
I can't wait to show you. You're gonna love this.
Can't wait to see them.
I did a lot on Saturday. First, I went to the London Eye. Here it is.
Did you go on it?
Yes, I did. The views were fantastic. Then I went on a boat on the River Thames.
What was the weather like? Doesn't it rain a lot in England?
The weather was okay. It didn't rain all the time.
That's good.
The boat ride was really interesting. I saw Tower Bridge and the Tower of London.
Did you go in the Tower of London?
No, I didn't have time. Then I visited Buckingham Palace. This is where the Queen lives when she's in London.
Was she there when you visited?
No, her flag wasn't on top of the palace. That means she's not there.
Oh, is that a guard? I like his hat.
Yes, it looks heavy. The guards are very intense. Their attention is 100% on their duties. They never move or speak. They ignore all the tourists around them.
Did you take a tour?
No, I didn't. I didn't have time.
That's a shame.
I know.
What did you do next?
Then I took a bus to St. Paul's Cathedral.
Wow, that looks amazing.
Yeah, they built it on the highest point in the city, so that way you can see the dome from almost anywhere in London.
It's really beautiful.
Yeah, so that's everything I did on Saturday.
You did a lot.
Yes. Then on Sunday, before I went to the airport, I walked around. I went to Westminster Bridge. I walked across it. I saw Big Ben and Parliament and Westminster Abbey.
Did you go inside?
No, I didn't have time. I had to go back to the airport. I only spent a day and a half in London, but it was great. I went on the London Eye, I went on a boat ride on the River Thames, I saw Tower Bridge and the Tower of London, I visited Buckingham Palace and St. Paul's Cathedral, I walked across Westminster Bridge, saw Big Ben, and visited Westminster Abbey. It was wonderful. Oh, but what about you? Did you have a good weekend? What did you do?
Me? I had a great time. I cleaned my apartment, I did laundry, I went to the pharmacy, I took a subway ride, and saw my brother's baseball game. And I visited a lovely supermarket where I bought groceries. It was wonderful. And I have video too.